Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how I can tell if I missed a spot when shaving my head. That's right, I'm going to be going over my very simple method, the method that I use to be able to tell whether or not I missed a spot when I'm shaving my head. Now, just for full disclosure and full context, I shave my head in the shower and I do it using soap and just a regular, shaving razor. I have some soap here because I did a couple videos about head shaving and I actually shaved my head in a video that I just filmed really recently. I released my videos in sort of like an assorted order, so I'm not sure if you're going to see that head shaving video before this video or after this video, but I filmed it before making this video. Anyways, there's some soap and here's my razor, okay? I do it in the shower, there's no mirror, so all that I have, and my glasses are off, okay? And I have horrible vision, so without my glasses, I can't see much at all, okay? So all that I have to use in terms of figuring out whether or not I missed a spot is my head and my hands. So I'm going to take my glasses off, I'll show you exactly what I do. I make sure obviously my head is wet because I'm in the shower, there's water on it and so on and so forth. And at this point I've probably already rinsed the soap off of my head, because I use soap to shave my head, I've probably already rinsed it off, but even if the soap is still on my head, it's totally fine. But I get my hands and basically I just rub my head like this, okay? Kind of just rub it in all different directions. Okay, and I'll tell you why this works, okay? Very, very simple. I'm gonna put my glasses back on, but I'll tell you why this works, okay? When I'm gonna shave my head, the hair that's on my head is sort of like little stubble. It's really short, right? It's maybe between 2 days and about 5 days old. I basically shave my head at the minimum 2 days apart, and I usually try and do it before 5 days have passed in terms of interval from one head shave to the next. Sometimes it goes longer, but most of the time it's between 2 and 5 days for the most part. So it's like the stubble where the hair is, okay? The hair that I'm shaving off is like a stubble. So the hair that I'm shaving off, that stubble hair feels rough, okay? And when I've shaved my head, okay, the areas that I've already shaved feels like smooth skin. Just feels literally like smooth skin, okay? Like basically like the skin on my forehead over here. It would feel like that all throughout my head on the areas that I've shaved. So by doing this, okay, if I feel everything feels smooth, except, oh, look, there's a little bit of a rough piece over here where I'm feeling back here, oh, that feels a little bit rough. I just get some soap, I put some soap on the area, I get my shaver, and then I shave that area, and guess what? It's now smooth. So by doing that little rubbing with my hands on my head, it allows me to feel any rough patches. And if I feel a rough spot, whether it's a tiny spot or a much bigger spot, that means I probably missed that spot, and I can then use some soap and my shaver to then shave that spot and correct that. And it's literally that simple. And I've done this for many, many, many years. I've shaved my head for many, many, many years, so I basically don't miss spots for the most part. So when I usually do that, it's just a quick something like that, and sometimes I don't even do it. Like sometimes I might forget to do it, okay? But for the most part, when I was first starting off, it was I would use a mirror too, right? But this is a good way to train your hand for feeling any spots that you missed, right? So when you're shaving your head, you can go like this when you're done, and you should hopefully be able to tell if you missed some spots because you'll feel the roughness, okay? And it's a good way to train your hands to identify those spots so then you can correct them. That's it. It's literally that simple. That's my method. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.